How to see character description in Character AI. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see a character description in Character AI. In order to do so, first of all, you'll need to open your Character AI application on your mobile device or visit the Character AI website on any web browser. Once you have opened the application, make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. In this home page, here you can use the search icon at the bottom, tap on it, and then tap on the search bar and enter the name of the character, and then search for it. You will be presented with the search results below. Here, find the specific character you would like to view. Once you tap on it, you will reach inside the chat interface of that character. Here, you will need to tap on the character's name or avatar at the top to open their profile page. And inside it, here you will be able to see the character details. In order to see the description, you can tap on this View Character option right here. By doing so, you will be able to see the description about that character, which includes their name, avatar, and a short description. This section provides insight into the character's background, personality traits, and how to interact with them. From here, you'll also be able to start chatting, start new group chat, and share this character. Also, if you are the creator of the character or if the character has made additional details public, you may also find links to suggested starters and example conversations that provide more context about this character. Also, if you have created the character, you can click on the settings icon, which will be available next to the character's name, to access more details and edit the description if needed. If the character is private, you won't be able to view detailed information. So by following these steps, you should be able to see character description in Character AI. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.